All right, so here I am. I'm starting off the germination process. I have my rapid rooters that are purchased on Amazon. You get about 50 of these for about 18 to $20, so about 50 cents a piece, and they are fantastic. I drop a few seeds in here. I got my seeds bin, some kale, some arugula seeds. Drop just a few of them, as you can see, into the hole, about 3 to maybe 5 to start off, and then I pour a little bit of water into the bottom, and I'm reusing the dome caps that I got with the AeroGarden. However, you could buy these. They're not the cheapest, but they're about 30 cents. Not the best use of 30 cents of plastic. It's probably more like 2 cents of plastic. But I just throw the dome pieces on top of there. But I could also take a shot glass and just put it in reverse like that if I had a well-balanced shot glass. As you see, I'm using the shot glasses here instead of the domes on my AeroGarden right now. And once these germinate, I will end up putting them into a pod like this, which is a 3D printed PLA plastic. It's just the right size for the rapid rooters. Goes right into the AeroGarden, but I'm going to be using this set of 6 here for my DIY AeroGarden. So look forward to that video coming up.